Nursery cartoon love journey with Huram.
Hike up, hike up in the shimmering sands where the sun's fierce rays gleam. 5 ducks wander far from their sweet river dream. With feathers of emerald and whispers of quack, they traverse the dunes, but there's no looking back. The camels stride gently, their shadows like sails, with patience unyielding through sunburnt travails. A caravan's rhythm they plod side by side, while 5 little ducks take to wing with great pride. Oh, what a strange place, one duck said with delight, where cacti are guardians beneath starry night. We've flown from the puddles where ripples once danced, to this vastness of silence we never had chanced. The camels just chuckled, their humps swaying slow. We've traveled these deserts where wild winds do blow. Your splashes are memories that drift on the breeze, but here in our kingdom there's solace and ease. One duck paused to ponder amidst grains of gold dust. Can friendship be found in this land that we trust? The water is absent and shade is but rare. Together we'll flourish, let joy fill the air. So they waddled together through valleys so wide. The ducks made a chorus as camels stood proud, each feathered note mingling with soft desert song, in harmony crafted where none would belong. As twilight descended with hues rich and deep, they nestled together while stars started to peep. In that moment of magic a bond forged anew. Ducks and camels united neath skies painted blue. So if you should wonder where wonders collide, remember those ducks who embraced every stride. For even in deserts where dreams seem afar, friendship can
Nursery cartoon love journey with Huram.